The easiest way to remove the video background is with just one click. This YouTube channel discusses various tutorials about Canva and helps you earn money with Canva, so make sure you give thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to this channel because thumbs up, comments, and subscribe are free, guys. So a week ago, Canva released an excellent feature called the background remover feature, the video background remover, which allows you to get rid of the background of any video in just one click. So let's just give an example of how we remove a video background with just one click from Canva. You can try it with any video in your video collection. For the first time, upload the video to your Canva first, and since this is just an example, I will try it with videos on Canva just to make it faster and easier. Later at the end of the video, I will try it with my video and we will see the difference. I will try with several videos and let's see what the results of each video are. First, I tried the keyword happy dance, and of course we are looking for the elements section. Then I tried with this video of women dancing, then clicked on the top center in the form of video editing. When we look at it all together, the results appear to be quite good and match the white background here. Now we will try to change the background and we will see if the results will be as neat as what we saw with a white background. It turns out that if you change the color, there are some shortcomings that can be seen and the hair is still not neat. Also, on the body, there are still some missing parts. But in my opinion, this is neat because if you have ever made a video using Adobe Premiere Pro, then you will know that removing the background is the same as deleting the background every frame, and it takes a long time. This is also still a beta version, so of course later it will have better results. Then we try again with another video, and I will try with this video. After we watch it together, the results are better because the background is erased quite cleanly, and there are no missing parts like the initial video. But the weakness lies in the hair in the video, which is still lacking a little. I want to try another video and the video is also the same from the left. I just chose random and I chose this dancing man. Let's see how the video turns out with one click from this tool, and the results in this video are very good and no small pieces or missing sections or sections of hair also look good. We try again with one more video, and then we combine the video that we removed the background from with the work we are going to make. So we try it first with a video that has a more complicated background, and it turns out that the process is quite long to remove the background from a video whose background is not plain. So if you want to make a video, make sure you use a video that has a plain background. I'm still curious about videos that don't have too much movement, so I'll try with videos that don't have too much movement. The results are pretty fast for rendering videos that don't have too much movement, and if I think after trying several videos with this tool, then I can conclude that the results obtained will be good when you choose a video with a plain background with minimal movement, and I have tried this in several other videos. I tried to combine this tool with a simple background first, and then I tried it with a different color background first. Here I tried it with a red background, blue, yellow, and white. We can see together that using white is not very visible if there are flaws at the edges of the video. Using blue, red, and yellow, it turns out to produce a combination that matches the video. So make sure if you use this feature to check first if the video will match the results you expect or not. Next, we try to give pictures with unique patterns, whether the results will still be good or if the shortcomings will be seen. You just need to type in the element menu and there will be lots of patterns that you can use. You can use the pattern keyword on the element menu and it will give rise to many unique patterns. It turns out that the results are quite good, only with the addition of patterns that you can look for in the element menu. Now I want to try to combine other videos with video templates in Canva, whether the results will be good or bad. Let's try. We only looked for it in the element menu with the keyword promotion because usually videos with that keyword are good, and I will go for this one. Let's just put the video at the very front itself and the results are good in my opinion. This is a good result. If you may feel that the focus shifts from that person to his thumb, then let's try to just delete that part. The way you click on the top of the scissor-shaped icon and you just cut the part you don't want. So for example, when you design there are parts that are not perfect in background removal, then you can delete it at that minute. Just for your information, the video you saw at the beginning of this video suggesting you to subscribe, like and comment, was made with the background remover tool. So the method is the same, that is, we first look for the video in the element menu with the keyword thumbs up, then you select this video and then you remove the background. Then you look for a template with the keyword promotion. When you find it, you delete various elements that are not needed such as burgers, and various others that you don't need. Then you attach the video that you removed the background earlier on this ready-made template, and add various elements such as the thumb element, then subscribe and so on to make it look better. But actually, at the time of removing the background, there was an imperfect part at the end of the video, so I deleted the section. And the results, in my opinion, are quite good when combined with various existing elements. So this seems really cool. You can have fun with it. You can really unleash your creativity by adding photos, colorful backgrounds, video backgrounds, and texture patterns can be used. You can use pretty much anything you want for this video, although gradients might look really good. This is actually very easy for content creators like me to make a video to reach other people, or even this feature can eliminate a very long time in editing, especially video deletion. Especially if you create educational content or tutorials like the one I made, it will be very easy. You only need to take a video in a place that has a plain background, and you combine your tutorial, and the results look good with just one click. One more thing, you can also make your video in a unique iframe because we can already remove the background from our videos. But actually this is usually done, but people usually do it with a green screen background, and it's complicated by uploading it on another website first and then uploading it on Canva. Now we can do it with Canva. The method is quite easy by clicking on the element menu, then searching with the keyword frame, and you will be given a lot of choices that you can use. If I prefer block frames or frames with irregular shapes because they will look good when combined with the video you made, then after you choose the frame you want, then you only need to insert your video into the frame that you have made. After the frame is finished and you insert the video into it, you can place the video and the frame on your other video, or you can also make two frames for your video. We use the first frame for our videos without a background, and the second frame we use for variations of our video tutorials. For example, if you want to teach but with an office atmosphere, then you can change the second frame to an office image, or if you want to teach with a beach atmosphere, then you only need to change the image to a beach image. But to keep your images and videos from shifting, you can click the top right corner of the group icon so you don't have to arrange the two elements as you move them. One more thing, I tried to upload a video that I made myself, and because the video has a background that is not plain, then the result is like this. But the drawback is when you use a video that you make yourself, the rendering process takes quite a long time. Who will have access to the video background remover? This function, like the photo background remover, will be a paid component. So you'll need to be a member of one of Canva's paid memberships, such as Canva Pro, Canva for Teams, Canva for Nonprofits, or Canva for Education, to use the video background remover, which makes sense given how strong it is. If you need Canva Pro, you can click on the description below, because we know for ourselves that you will have more convenience in designing with Canva Pro, but if you want to use the free version of Canva, that's okay too. For the time being, this feature will work best when the video is in high contrast with subjects such as high contrast with the background, which should be a plain background, and if there are too many things in the video background, the results will be less than optimal, so make sure you use a plain background for your video. So it's not as good with greater contrast backgrounds, but it's something also keep in mind that video backdrop removers, like picture background erasers, are still in their early stages. This functionality will improve over time as Canva AI's artificial intelligence grows more clever as more data is entered and controlled by AI. As a result, we can expect this functionality to improve in the coming weeks and months. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next, and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.